Pleasure, skills, confidence. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Tara Lee. I'm a relationship counselor and clinical sexologist. Pleasure skills has been something that I've been teaching for a really long time, since 2009, and these series of workshops are my most popular ones. So I'm going to be offering them virtually live, and you can get to interact with me and ask me questions on the spot. So what happens in this three-part series is that the first one is pleasuring the penis. So this has to do with massaging the penis, or some people call it hand job. If you do it fast, it's a hand job. The second one is Fab Fellatio. This is when you give oral sex or blowjob on somebody who with a penis. The third one is vulva massage workshop called Viva La Vulva. And these three are my most popular workshops. The first and the third, the pleasuring the penis and Viva La Vulva, these two are really not just about pleasure and orgasms, but also has a therapeutic benefit of encouraging blood flow, and it helps with my clients with premature ejaculation, delayed ejaculation, erectile difficulties, for people who are pre-orgasmic, connecting more with their body, and also like letting energy and blood flow happen. So it is really about coming to your body, being mindful and present. So there are many techniques that will be covered. I will be explaining the techniques. I will be demonstrating the techniques on sexual aid, a sex toy. And then I will also be explaining the experiences that people have had when they've had these techniques done on them. So it's really important to then share these with you so that you begin to have more confidence. So it's really good if you can attend this together with your partner. You will have the recording for 30 days. Another thing is that don't think that this is just something for your partner to do on you. Think of it as, this is my body. I need to learn about my body. I need to be confident with my body. And so signing up for this, learning this for yourself, then being able to communicate your needs, your wants, your desires with your partner is such an important part of sexual confidence. So how can we get good in the bedroom if we don't know what to do? So by having the knowledge and then the practice, it becomes a skill. When you have a sexual skills, then you develop sexual confidence. When you have sexual confidence, this is when everything is much more relaxing, and then the playfulness can come forth. It's very difficult to be playful when you're so uncertain about what you're doing. So do attend these workshops, because this is the last time this year that I'm going to be running them live. So do join me and find out more below.